Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the date format in your Google Sheet. First, let's write our date. For example, let's go with 1st of January 2026. Oops. And you see here we have our calendar automatically and we can change it. If, for example, we want to change the format, we need to go to Format, then Number, and here we will have date. You see? I'm gonna go to Customize Date and Time, and here you will have a lot of options. Let's go for this one, for example. Check Apply, and we will have this format. Also, let's go again to Customize Date and Number. Here you have infinity of things you can add, but you can change them from here. Back. You can delete it. You can change this one. For example, I don't want it to be a star, who cares? And I want the date to be like Tuesday, then the month, let's go with the full month name, and then the year, I want it to be like that. You see here, it's fully customized, and if I drag it, I will have the other days. And voila, like that, you now know how to change the format or to customize the format of your date. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.